Hi, everyone. Well, today I would like to share with you a wonderful technique that I use all the time when I'm feeling some kind of pain or discomfort, whether it's physical or emotional. And it's called body feeling. And you may have heard it, different names, people like Eckhart Tolle or Maharishi Mahesh Yogi talking about how effective it is in helping to diminish pain and help in this healing process. Whether you've fallen down or you've bumped your elbow or you're feeling really anxious because you're about to go give a talk or there's something important that's going on, or you may have made a mistake and you just feel really bad. When we have physical pain, it's really evident. It's in our body and it hurts like the dickens. But emotional pain also is associated with a location in the body. So we take time to feel it. And whether it is like a pain in the heart or a lump in the solar plexus, a tightness, or a lump in the throat, or whatever it is, this technique helps to diminish the pain and bring that innate intelligence back into that area and helps with the healing process. It's wonderful. So let me describe it. First of all, the key is to stop what you're doing. Yes, you've hurt yourself or you're feeling really bad and you just you might be agonizing over, but what I highly recommend is that you just put it aside. Like, let's say you fell down or you bumped your head and somebody's coming to you and they're saying, "Oh, can I help? Oh, can I help?" Just say, "No, just a sec. Just let me be and be in quiet. And I'll just be a second. Okay. Leave me alone." And then just be with that sensation. It's very important because the mind is going to do its job, which is to offer you all sorts of advice and kvetching and all sorts of things. And now, also, if you've really hurt yourself, you really injured yourself, you've got to do what's appropriate. But in this case, you want to be safe. So if you fall on the sidewalk, let's say, or you've fallen on the ice, then just get out of the way and feel safe. That's primary. And then if you can, you put your hand on that location. If not, that's okay. What you're doing is you're bringing your awareness and you're not thinking about it. You're not thinking and analyzing. You're leaving the mind out of this. This is crucial. Leaving the mind out of it and feeling, bringing your awareness, your attention into that location, right? And feel it and see how you can just focus. When the mind wanders off onto something, just bring the mind back. It's like this is your new mantra. You just keep bringing your mind back onto the location and feel it. And the feeling may even crescendo and get really extreme. But if you stay with it, something very interesting happens. It's like it starts to diminish. The innate intelligence that is in that area, it wants to do its job. It wants to heal. It wants to get back into its own place of stasis. So you're helping it by bringing your awareness. It's like it's a team. The team is working on bringing that little soreness or emotional feeling back into a place where you feel like, okay, I feel it. It's diminishing. Remember, by moving your attention from your thoughts and thinking about it onto the sensation, you will calm the stress of the physical experience, of the physical pain, or the emotional discomfort. I know it feels counterintuitive, but keeping your mind on the stories will only keep the pain, the discomfort intensified. We want to leave that aside and help in the ability to bring us back into a place of feeling more neutral, with the ability to then just move on with what we need. And the other secret is to go to the core of a sensation. Yes, dive right in with focusing right into the core. And you stay present and you be with it and you find the silence. Find it's like the eye of the storm, right? There's that calm right in the storm and there's lots going on around, but at the eye of the storm, it's calm. And that's where we want to get. Yes, you may want to run away from it, but by keeping your awareness, your attention, not your thoughts, your attention on the sensation, this will help bring that, your focus will help bring the sensation back down to a place of normal and help with the healing process. That's what we want. We want to get to a place where I'm feeling safe, I'm feeling okay, and I can I can just go on with what I'm doing. Allow that intelligence, your innate intelligence, to come back to that place of wholeness and stasis. Stay present, keep focused, witness what is happening. Be present during the whole process. You'll find it's absolutely amazing. Then, when the sensation subsides, you can get up and go on with your business. And then over time, if you keep using this technique, you'll find it's easier and easier to come back on, leave the mind and come back onto the sensation. So we're building resiliency. So, and that resiliency is allowing us to get out of the mind of trying to analyze and create a story or whatever the thoughts are, and jump into the body much quicker. That's resiliency. Remember, your body is always looking to bring you back into a place of balance, into a place of wholeness, no matter how you're feeling, and always wants to bring you back into a state of balance. I hope you use this technique often because it's such a powerful, effective technique. No matter what situation you're in and you're just feeling off, come back to this body feeling. You'll be so glad you have this to come back to. Reach out and let me know how this worked for you. I'd love to stay in touch. Share this with your friends. And to ensure that you don't miss any of my Take a Break videos, subscribe to my YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn pages. Follow me. Okay, so love to know what you think. See you soon. Bye for now.